Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making double chocolate cookies. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/3 cup of unsalted butter. We're going to need a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're going to need a cup of chocolate chips, semi-sweet. And with that cup of chocolate chips, you want to take 1/4 cup out and separate it. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is get a bowl. You're going to get a sifter, and all you want to do is put your cup of all-purpose flour in. You want to add your cocoa powder, also your baking powder, and your teaspoon of salt. And all we're going to do is sift them ingredients into the bowl. And guys, with the little balls that are left in here, all you want to do is take a spoon and just crush them down. Guys, in the previous clip I said 1 teaspoon of salt. I meant to say 1/4 teaspoon. Sorry about that. Now you want to get a separate bowl. You want to melt your butter, and you want to add your granulated sugar and also your brown sugar. And all we're going to do is get a whisk and mix that together. Next, we're going to add our 1 egg, our egg yolk, and also our vanilla extract, and we're going to combine that until it's smooth. Okay guys, this is how you want your mixture to be. Now we're going to combine our dry ingredients in. Now all we're going to do is take a spatula and just mix that in gently. And you're going to mix it until it's well combined. Okay, now once your cookie dough is well combined, we're going to take our chocolate chips. Remember to take 1/4 cup out of there. Now guys, when you put your chocolate chips in, make sure you mix them as evenly as you can. Okay, once you mix your chocolate chips in, now you want to get your baking pan, line it with a piece of parchment paper, and I have my ice cream scooper, and all we're going to do is scoop out our cookies, and we're going to put them onto the baking sheet. and you want to space them 2 inches apart. And you can also set your oven to 350 degrees. Okay guys, once you scooped out all of your cookies, all you want to do is take the dough and just roll it in your hands like this. It makes the cookie look prettier. And all we're going to do, once they're rolled up, is add some chocolate chips to the top of each of them. Okay guys, as you can see, I rolled each cookie with my hand, and I also added the chocolate chips on it. Now we're ready to put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 9 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 9 minutes, and as you can see, our cookies are done. All we're going to do now is let them cool off. Okay guys, here goes your double chocolate cookies. I just wanted to show you how soft they are. They're really good and really chocolatey. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back again. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.